everyone, friends. Welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to gift skins in CS2. To do this, we go into Steam and add the person we want to gift the skin to as a friend. Next, find them in your friends list. Yeah, right. Click on their name and click Trading. After that, click Send an Exchange Offer. Here we select the skin we want to give them, and naturally we don't choose anything in return because it's a gift. Then click Confirm. Click Yes, it's a gift, and click Make Offer. Yeah, let's say I want to make an offer, and then you just go to Steam on your phone to confirm the trade. Now if you have Steam Guard, you'll need to do this. If not, you won't have to. A notification like this will pop up. I'm not sure if it'll be visible. Click on it and there'll be a huge confirm button. Just confirm it. That's it. Then your friend just accepts the trade. And that's everything. This was Valor. See you all later.